Sports Tourism. Please give a hand to the Chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, Mr. Patrick C. Gregorio.
Thank you, John. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sports media, thank you for joining us. Of course, to our sports ambassador, PSC Sports Ambassador, Vinny Marcos. Vinny, thank you for joining us. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta sa Philippine Sports. To ASEC, Gisela Kisubing, thank you for joining us, ma'am. Of course, Attorney John, Vice Mayor Min, Mayor Johnson, Siargao will never be the same again. It is not just a small town, it will be a world-class destination. And we know you have that commitment. Of course, to our good friend, Andrew Stark. Andrew, President of WSL Asia Pacific, thank you for the trust. Thank you for the confidence, and thank you for the commitment to bring WSL to Siargao in the next couple of years, not just in 2026. Of course, to our idol, Marama, mabuhay ka. Sino ba po hindi nakakakilala kay Marama? Palampakan po natin si Marama. To the members of the Philippine Sports Commission, Attorney Leroy, Professor Lujay, I think Con Gaston is also here. Of course, to Jerry, to Jan, to Ty, to Ralph, and everyone here. Alam niyo po, yung pag-explain ni Vice Mayor Minmin, yung na-capture ko kasi sa isip niya, sa damdamin niya so many months ago is, this event is something that never even entered their mind. This is something that they never even considered or thought of. One day we'll bring the World WSL World Tour to Siargao. Ni hindi po pumasok sa panaginip, ni hindi po pumasok sa posibilidad. Pero dahil po kay President Marcos, dahil po kay Vinny, dahil po ay ginagawa na natin ito. Kasi it is the right thing to do. We need to support surfing as a sport. Kayang gumaling ng Pilipino sa surfing. Kayang manalo ng Pilipino sa surfing. And when we talk about the sport and the destination, then makikita nyo, tulong-tulong na po talaga siya at talagang maraming mararating. You know, sino ba po nakapunta na sa Siargao rito? Taas ng kamay. Have you been to Siargao? You see? Not even half, not even 1/4. Siguro this is a good time to invite all of you in October.
Medyo busy.
Suplado?
Pero alam mo, napaka-exciting talaga yung hosting na rin.
Very good. So sabi ko nga po, this is really an opportunity for us to showcase the Philippines as a sports tourism destination. Yung ginagawa po namin sa PSC in collaboration with the Department of Tourism, CHESA, DILG, PAGCOR, DBM, ito po yung konsepto ni President Marcos na sabi niya, I think it's a great strategy to develop sports tourism in the Philippines kasi ang dami natin nagagawa. And swerte tayo kasi meron pa tayong Vinny who's really a sportsman. Diba? But I think in Siargao, he will not surf because we will all be there. Yeah. So, kidding aside, once again, thank you very much for your trust. Andrew, from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat. Okay, and we say, you can trust the Philippines. We can do this, Andrew. We can do this. Thank you very much.